Do you have round eyes? In today's video, we will be sharing with you which of our magnetic lashes is best for those of you out there with round eyes. Before we get started, to make sure you never miss any of our videos, you can subscribe to our channel down below and make sure to hit the bell icon to be notified anytime we post. So I kind of have like roundish almond eyes. So I will be trying on all of the lashes today, of course, so that you guys can see them on. But, you know, some people might have more round eyes than I do or less. And so here's a couple of pictures of what like round eye shape looks like, just so you can see, and maybe it will help you decide if that's your eye shape or not. Let's jump into our lash styles that we love for round eyes. So first up, we have the Flashy Lash. Flashy Lash is super fluttery, really full and beautiful. They're more on the wispy side and have tapered drama, which favors the outer edge. They're mink and create a seductive cat eye shape for round eyes. Next, we have the Flirty Lash. The Flirty Lash is a beautiful foaming, but it's designed to look like real mink. It's perfect for the girl with medium to large size eyes, so those of you on the eye size spectrum, those of you out there with the bigger eyes, these are gonna look amazing. They're super long, so they're gonna open up your beautiful eyes even more. Next, we have the Sassy Lash. Sassy Lash is our best-selling lash, and for a reason. It's our most natural mink lash, and it looks great on all eye shapes, but especially on round eye shapes. Sassy Lash is a great everyday lash, and it's also kind of tapered, so it's really going to kind of draw attention to your eyes and actually pull them out and up, which maybe if you're trying to make your round eyes lifted, that's really going to be a great lash for you. So last up is our Sexy Lash. Definitely the most dramatic lash that we are going to be talking about today. Sexy Lash is perfect for that winged liner look when you want to add a touch of extra glam. They're super full and tapered, so you're going to get that attention drawn to the outer corners of your eye as well. So those are the lashes that we recommend for those of you out there with round eyes, but maybe you're not quite sure which eye shape you have. You can check out this video right here where we go through every single eye shape and what they look like and which lashes are best. If you like this video, you can give it a big thumbs up down below, and you can subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our videos. We'll see you in the next one.